Guys, and I'm Sharon from Theclastyle. Today I'm sharing with you a lovely collaboration that I'm participating in with Mom Das. So let's hear a bit about these lovely ladies and the collaboration.
Welcome, Mom Das Life Handmaid, a lovely lady, a mother, a wife, and she is an excellent seamstress, guys. She inspired me so much. And she has decor, sew recipes, and she's hosting a Sew Your Stash collaboration. And together with myself and Kiki, we are co-hosting with her. So please stop by Mom Das's channel. You will enjoy it and you will be hooked. And do press the notification bell and like and subscribe and share. And also along with Kiki's DIY, another lovely crafter and home decorator, and lots of DIY videos out there. And do check out her channel also, guys. And if you're coming across from these ladies' channels, welcome. And do enjoy what we have to offer and do check out their videos. So let's get started.
So let me run through what I'll be using today. This is cording. It's a cotton type of cording. It's to cover with fabric. I call it welting. So when you cover it with fabric, you use a piece of either a bias or a straight strip of fabric. You insert the cording inside and then you stitch it very close with your zipper foot to the cording. Now this comes ready-made, but you can make your own. It's less expensive when you make your own. So these come in jumbo and medium and small, and also a micro. There's a smaller size to this. Now I have my fabric here. I'm using fabric. I'm using strips, 2 strips. I'm using fabric covered welting. I've already put it together like I showed you. You sandwich the cording inside and you stitch it. In this case I zigzag. This is optional. I also have a piece of plastic. Now I'm just going to run through the measurements for you. This piece of fabric here, this is 8.5 across by 13 inches in length. It's just a checkered board red fabric. This fabric here is 7 inches long by same 8.5 inches wide, but it's folded in half like this. You need 2 pieces in this, and I also have 2 pieces in the fabric covered welting. Now this piece on the folded edge, you're just gonna take it to your machine and stitch it down very close to the cording. I mean, machine comes with all types of different foot, and this is the one I'm going to be using. This is to do a close stitch to your cording or your zipper. So I've stitched it in place, and I'm going to attach it to the bottom of the fabric. What I do is sandwich the 2 ends of the main fabric and the piece that I just sewed and stitch it half inch seam allowance straight across the bottom here. So it's stitched to the bottom here, and now I'm going to take the wrong side of this part and bring it up. Make sure you press your seam. Here it's going to remain open, so I just put some pins just to hold it in place. With the other piece, I'm just gonna put it about 1.5 inches up from the bottom one. I'm going to stitch that in place. So I'm just using my pins to hold it straight across. So the second part is stitched. I'm just going to flip it up and pin it to hold it until I do the other step. So what I'm going to be doing with the plastic, I folded the plastic in half like that, and I want to place the plastic down here to create another one of these sleeves. So I'm just going to cut the amount that I want. So I would want it about 3.5 inches. And I would want the width of this. The width was 8.5 inches. So the plastic is cut out, and I'll be doing it the same manner that I did the other one. So I'm going to stitch it down and then fold it up like that.
So guys, knowing me, I have a second piece here. I so love this piece. This was a chair back cover, and I did not want to rip out the ruffles, so I decided to cut off piece from the center since the ruffle I wanted on the sides. So I stitched down the center, and I'm just gonna cut away the excess. Now it's now 8 inches in width. The length is 18 inches long. Now guys, I have two pieces here. One is for the back and one is for the front. Now on the back piece, I want to place a piece of cardboard, and the cardboard is cut 2 inches less on all sides. All I'm doing is sticking the cardboard with my glue gun onto the back piece. I'm leaving a 2 inch from the top edge and press it nicely in place. This is how it looks. I'm just going to take the front piece now, guys, and rest it on top of the cardboard, sandwiching it in between. Now these are my plastics. They are all cut and ready to go, and I'm going to be making the little pockets with them. Now on this one, we'll just have the clear plastics, and I will do 3 sets of it. And I so fell in love with how this would have looked in my mind, so I opt to do a second piece. I'm just spinning it in place to secure it with the pins. Sorry. And I'll just take it to my machine and I'll stitch straight down the center. Now guys, the plastics, it stitches very easy on the machine. So I run the stitch down the center, and I'm going to close up the bottoms of them. So I'm running it across the fabric, and this is how it's looking. Once I've done that, I'm going to place it onto the back piece. Now guys, if you're coming across, like I said, from the other ladies, Mom Das and Kiki's channel, welcome guys. And if you are my subscriber, please do head across to the other ladies, Mom Das. You will see the links on the bottom there. Now guys, don't be afraid, because the cardboard is less, I can run my stitch and not interfere with the cardboard. So I'm stitching down along the sides, closing up the two pieces. The only space that is going to be remaining open for now is the top part. And guys, I have these, I'll just stop here for a second and share with you this part. Now I have this contrasting color. It's like a burgundy, and I have rickrack. So I just place a piece of the burgundy at the bottom, and I'm going to run some rickrack on top of it. I'm also going to run rickrack on each of the pocket tops. This was an afterthought, so I could have done it before if I had decided that I wanted to do that. But like I said, it's an afterthought. So guys, I hope you are enjoying my piece here today, and this is how it's looking so far. But this is not all, guys. I'll continue on. So I wanted to make some little labels, so I printed some labels and have the names of the items that is going to be going in the little pockets. So I cut them out, and at the end I will be doing that. Now this little hanger, this comes on children's clothes, or your socks or underwears, and I just took it and I'm going to be gluing it to the top here. So I'll have my little hanger to hang my organizer. So I just glue it in place, and voila, now I will just stick on my little labels. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this piece that I've given to you, and it's 2 pieces, guys, and I so enjoy doing it for you. So these are how the labels are looking, and I just stuck them to the top of the piece, just under the rickrack, and I'm just putting in all my pieces into the little pockets. Now I'm thinking next time, guys, I will do another one and separate all my presser foot and other items. So this is how it's looking. One holds my seam rippers and brushes, my needles, and it is so lovely. I can just go into it and take out instead of going in a pan and trying to find the pieces. So I think it turned out gorgeous, guys. I hope you like this. So this is it, and I'm back onto my first piece that I started. With this one, I just stuck the front onto the cardboard and place a piece of brown cotton lining on it and use my glue gun. Now remember the straps that I had from a gift bag, I just run it down the center. Remember, you have to stitch before you put the cardboard on. And at the top there I have a 5-inch extension, which I place a piece of cardboard inside just to stiffen the top. And I'm just going to be using my glue and closing up the part on the sides. And I'll just use my puncher, guys, and punch 2 holes so that I can tie the straps on it. Now the puncher punched very good. Just tie them off, and I got some nice little words, fashion trends, unique styles and things like that. I thought it would look nice on the actual piece, so I did glue them onto the piece, and it's looking. So guys, these were also from on the gift bag. They had lovely wordings on it, and I am using these things for my farmhouse decor also. So I took out all the lovely wordings from it, and I used it for other crafting. Now I have about 2 sergers and 3 machines, so I have a lot of screwdrivers and so on, and a lot of machines, my tweezers and so on. So this came in handy. I would so love to thank Mom Das for doing this. And this is fashion style and unique and style, and this house a lot of extra items that I have there. There's also one that says collection at the bottom, so it's really a handy organizer for your sewing accessories. And I'm thinking I'm gonna do some more different ones with different items in the house.
Thank you for being with us and joining us in this collaboration. I hope you have enjoyed. Please do check out the other ladies, Mom Das and Kiki, and enjoy what they had to offer. And I hope you have enjoyed it. I'm thinking I'm going to do one of these soon again. I so enjoyed it. And please check that notification bell on the side. Do click it. Do subscribe, do share, and like. And I will see you quite soon, guys. Bye for now from Theclastyle. Catch you later.